of candidates, if we ask for the job, the city expectation, maybe the answer, most of the answers is based on Shanghai. Because people sometimes may worry about if I will be placed in a village. But now, we're in a village in China.
Well, I wouldn't say it's a village. It's a small town, but still the town still has millions of people in it. So by Canadian standards, it'd be a big city, but by Chinese standards, they call it like a village.
Yeah, we call it a village.
You know,
with
but
3 million people.
So basically, my school is kind of right over there, and then I live at this the shopping mall right over there. I'm in the 3rd building up on the 24th floor, so I just come down from here. There's food, everything I need at the mall, and then I just walk to work or I bike. So it's really convenient, and the city's nice. A couple million people in it. There's a nice lake. There's amusement parks. So
I think we are very lucky to live in.
Yeah, so that's one thing when
CBD.
Chinese people say, "Oh, a small city." You still have to remember there's still millions of people in this small city. It's not like a Canadian small city. It's still a big city, and there's lots to do. So I prefer like the smaller cities. Actually, I like it here. So.